Okay, let's get your Outlook set up so that you are able to archive your mails without using the mouse, making it easier to archive and saving you a lot of time. It's a bit technical, but I will walk you through it, and it is the only technical part of this course. Like many of the exercises that follow, I suggest watching the entire process before trying it out yourself. This way you'll understand the context of each operation before jumping in. Go to Outlook and click on the Customize button on the Quick Access Toolbar. At the bottom of the list, choose Show Below the Ribbon. Right-click the Instant Archive button in the Lean Mail toolbar. Choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. In the Quick Access toolbar, right-click on the Instant Archive button and choose Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Using the upper side arrow, move the Instant Archive button to the top position. Close the dialog box. Notice that when you press the Alt key on your keyboard, next to the space bar, numbers are displayed in the ribbon, and the number 1 corresponds with the Instant Archive button. Let's test it. First, press Alt, then 1, not F1 or any of the F keys, and not simultaneously, but one after the other. The Master Categories dialog box opens. Click Cancel and then No in the next dialog box that opens, asking if you would like to file away the mail without a category. Your Quick Key is now functioning perfectly. If the Master Categories list does not appear, try the process again. You may have done it incorrectly, or you may have inadvertently filed a mail that already had a category attached to it, so it is now in your Instant Archive folder. Otherwise, you are ready to go.